Welcome to another episode of the Achievers Corner with Victoria Shawami. So, this episode today, I'm going to be sharing about three things that can and will help you to achieve success in your career, in your business. Three things. And the first one is the mindset. It all begins up here. Things up here, the mindset. They say whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Whatever you think, whatever is up in your mind, you can bring about. So do you have the right mindset to achieve success in your career, in your business? It doesn't matter what is happening. If you think yourself as a failure, you already is. They said, as a man thinketh, even in the Bible, as a man thinks in his heart, so he is. If you think you are a failure, I can guarantee you are on your way there. But if you think I am a success, I have made to be successful, then you will attract the favor, the blessing, the grace to be able to bring about that success. So having the right mindset to everything, that is the bottom line. Right mindset, the positive mindset, the feeling that wow, I can make anything happen. God has given me the strength, He has given me the grace, He has given me the power to bring it to pass. Have that mindset and know that nothing can stop you, because everything that you need is ready within you. God has already given you that potential to be great, to be a successful woman, a successful man. It does not matter. So you want to adjust how you think of yourself. You want to adjust your thoughts and your mindset. Fill it up with positive things that energizes you, things that strengthens you, things that encourage you, things that fuel you to move forward. Right mindset. And you can listen to podcasts like this as you're listening, podcasts, books, and asking questions from people so they can put inside of you that energy, that inspiration, that motivation that you can be all that you can be, that you want to be. Mindset. And the second thing is the skill set. After you have the right mindset, it doesn't happen if you don't work it. Like they said, faith without work is dead. So having skill set. What are the skills necessary for you to be able to achieve success in your career, in your business? And depending on the nature of what you do, for speakers, they must have the ability to communicate effectively, able to connect. And so with you in your profession, in your line of business, what are the skills necessary? And some of the skills that are common to everyone are the leadership skills. Self-leadership. You being able to be the man of your word, the woman of your word. Let your yes be yes, your nay be nay. And also skill set is perfecting your skills, that you are no longer an entry level, but you are an expert. Like doctors, most of them, all of them, where they go to medical school. And after that, some invested another years of fellowship, internship, different things, so they can be specialized in their area, to be a cardiologist, to be an anesthesiologist, to be a critical care doctor, to be a nephrologist. All of those things, they need to acquire the skills that is specific to that area. I am not a medical doctor, so I don't have that skill as a medical doctor. But for those who want that, they have to pursue the skills. And the skills comes in different way. You have to learn it. You have to be willing to invest that time, the resources, the money, to go and learn the skills. Perfect your skills. And thank God for some skills. You can do it like 4 weeks, 6 weeks, depending. But if you're going for like a degree, that is another thing that you want to follow the path. But so many things we can learn online today. We have YouTube University, so many things, so many people who have courses, so many programs that offer like 4 weeks courses, 6 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, something that can help you to perfect your skill, to have that skill set that you need in that area of your line, that line of your profession, that line of business. And the third thing is the toolset. When you have the toolset, like a toolset, If you've been to the store and you see they have all these tool set where you have the hammer, you have the chisel, you have the screwdriver, you have all of those things. So the tool set is not just one item in it, because it's not going to be called a set. You have to be like different pieces together. You will have the nails, you will have the thumbnails, you will have some screws, we have the bolts and the nuts, different things, right? So that if you want to do a project, right, embark on any project, maybe you want to put together a shelf, a drawer, a table, you have everything. You just take out the tool set and you're able to know what you're doing. The tool set is very good in any field. I remember, my husband is not a techie person at all. It's not, not a handsome person. Let me put it that way. Like, if something breaks in the house, my husband is not that type of person. I'm like a DIY. I can fix things here and there, know what is going on and fix it. But one time we bought a bookshelf, big one, and I really needed him. I really needed him to do it. I don't want to because it's huge. But prior to that, I got the tool set, all of the screws, the nails, the hammer, everything that he could need. I'm telling you, I made sure I have the tool kit for him. And then it was on holiday. I'm like, oh, please, I need your help with this today. The kids are home. They can never be like, oh, God, I don't want to do this. But I said, well, there is a kit right here. You have the tool kit to make it easy. Let me tell you guys, he broke the record. He's never done it. And he don't do it. It's like, I can't handle any of this. But because the tool set, the toolkit is right there, it makes it easy. Anything he's looking for is there. And so for you to achieve success, you must know what are the tools that you need in your line of profession. Put them together. Put them together. For me, as a speaker, as a trainer, one of my tools is my voice, and my presentation, and all of the things I need, my camera, my recording things, my printer, things that I know I needed. And so for you, what are the things that you must have, for you to achieve that success? It may be a book, a pen, a ruler, an eraser, all of any of those things. So depending on your line of work, pull a kit together. For we speakers, like I said, all of those in there. We have a proposal, like a media kit already ready, when we can send it to somebody. He asks your intro, your information, where they can follow you, different things about you. So everything has been put together in one packet. So you want to do the same thing for yourself. Have your go-to kit, your go-to toolkit, that when you need something, like, this is my resource area. All of this thing that I need is right here. I have the skills. Now I need the tool. I have the skills, what you've mastered, then I need the tool. And sometimes when people don't even have great skills, the tools have been very great to really save people. So you want to look what are the things that is needed for your line of profession and put them together. And if you need somebody to put it together for you, someone who has done it, who is an expert in that line, ask them. When I was started as a coach, as a speaker, I got a coach before I landed into John Maxwell, where they now have a lot of tools set for us that can help us to get started. Even if you don't have the skill yet, you have some tools that can help you, make it easy for you. So that is all I want to share. Even as we are wrapping up the month and moving on into a new month, I want to consider all of these three things I shared about: the mindset for success, the skill set in your line of profession for success, and the tool set that you need. All of the tools that you need that will enhance you, that will make you look as pro out there. So put them together. And if you need help, please do not hesitate to send us a message. Send me a message. VictoriaShowMe1@gmail.com. And I am inviting you. Yes, this is an announcement. This Saturday, October the 3rd, I am doing a 1-hour workshop. I call it DISC Personality Workshop. This is a personality profile workshop. It's to kind of know who you are, because sometimes when we don't know who we are, we kind of get stuck in certain things. But this is to bring an awareness to your personality, how you respond to things, and also to know how others do as well, so you can know how to enhance your relationship, how to improve on your communication skills, how to better communicate with different people and connect with them. Because we have some people who are so strong, then we have some people who are so reserved. We have the outgoing, we have people who are reserved, we have people who are people oriented, and we have people who are like task oriented. But join me on October 3rd, 12 noon Central Standard Time for the workshop, and I put the registration link in the description. It just needs a free session, just your email, name and email, so we can send you the link to join where we go live. All right, so that is all I have for you. Make it a great week. God bless you. Think highly of yourself. Think that I can do all things to Christ who strengthens me. Nothing is stopping me. Everything that I need is within me. And go and manifest. Make something great. Go achieve greater things. And I will see you another time. God bless you. This is Victoria Showame.